Thank you, Panayotis. Thank you, everybody. Let me share the screen so you can confirm you see it. Can you see the screen?
Yes, of course.
So,
okay.
Good morning, everybody. Thanks to Maurizio for the introduction. And what I'm going to do now is to explain, to share the approach that the project 5G Solution has deployed to propose SMEs who have innovative ideas about 5G and the verticals addressed by the project to get in touch with the consortium and validate their ideas. As you already heard, thanks to the presentation of Mr. Zanettis and Dr. Markopoulos, 5G Solution Project has the goal to develop a realistic advanced business infrastructure to demonstrate the potential of 5G in vertical sectors that have already been explained, so I will not go deep again in the detail. The aim of the MSE Involvement Initiative is to validate business models not only of use cases already defined for the project that have been presented in the four verticals, but want to give the chance to European SMEs to propose ideas and share these ideas with the partners of 5G solutions in order to understand if this idea can work under the 5G infrastructure and can give benefits. So, what can be the advantage for SMEs applying to the SME Involvement Program? We think there are three main values. The first one is to be involved early in in understanding how the 5G infrastructure works. And as you saw, we are developing a 5G vertical environment which has enhanced features compared to those that can be available in 5G commercial offers. So you can find in this platform understanding of features and information validation that are not available in the 5G commercial offer deployed now. So the first value is to be first in developing innovative features, and this can give you an advantage to the market. The second point, which is, in my opinion, very, very important because it's an opportunity to understand potential collaboration between your company and 5G solution partners that can start by face-to-face events. And if there is a mutual interest in developing the idea, the 5G solution partner can be a client in the future. So there is a potential commercial impact in developing understanding together. The third point is that in events like this, we hope that once the COVID-19 will be finished, even with physical events, you will have the opportunity to pitch your idea in front of international audience. The opportunity to share your company positioning with the audience internationally. So we have planned at the moment 3 events. The first one is InfoCom World, which is happening today. We will have a new event in Milan under the IATHINGS framework, which is something that is managing the 5G Italy conference and sharing events, which will happen in April 2021. We think that this event will be again digital, and so it will be naturally open to everybody who wants to participate across Europe. There is no barriers, there are no issues in being part of this event, because if you apply, the event will be in English, and you will be able to connect digitally from your country. A couple of months later, we will do a new event in Nicosia, Cyprus, and we are planning to do a fourth event in Barcelona, Spain. We are also trying to understand if due to the COVID-19 situation, we will be able to include more events to this program in order to give more opportunities to SMEs to be involved. So if you have the chance to get in touch, tell us that you are interested, so we will keep you informed about new events. How the selection process works. It's not a very, let me say, a very complex. It's not a very complex process. We have set up a website where you can submit your idea. The submission is very easy. It takes maybe 15 minutes to enter the information. And if you already have a pitch, you can upload the pitch and you click submit, and then it will be done. Once you submit the idea, you will receive an eligibility feedback. This means that we analyze the pitch and the idea, and if the idea is compliant with the terms and conditions that you can download inside the application area, we will also try to understand if we see some match between the 5G technology value and the idea you propose. If you are compliant to the terms and conditions and your idea has a good fit with the 5G technology and platform, we will call you back and invite you to present your idea. All the presentation of the pitch will be again shared with the consortium members, and we will ask each one if they want to meet some SMEs in order to have some one-to-one meetings in order to match the interest that industrial partners have with the proposal you're doing. So there are two steps. One is the presentation, in which you can be involved. The second step, we will share information that you provide through the portal to the consortium, and consortium partners individually will highlight which are the SMEs that they want to meet in one-to-one meetings. Here you have an overview of the partners with potential industrial interest on 5G ideas. You can see that there are several kinds of partners. There are communication operators, infrastructure operators, and then vertical operators who can be interested in matching your idea with the 5G technology provided by a 5G solution, and this will open a discussion that can bring to a commercial opportunity and a validation of the service. This is the portal where you can apply your idea. We have launched a new wave ending March 31st. So in order to be ready to select new SMEs for the IoT 5G Italy events. And you can find, you will have the presentation, you can find the link here. So simply going to this portal, you can submit your idea, and your idea will be evaluated for further steps. Anyway, if you submit the application, you will have a feedback from us. So there is no more things to say. Just thank you for the attention. Here you can find all the references to contact me, RST, or the project. And of course, if in the final session you have questions, I'll be here for the answers. Thank you very much.